I taught Lincoln in the house. My husband was probably gay, and I'm bipolar, which makes me yell things like, "That teapot's spreading lies about me," or, "That can't be my baby because I don't love it."
Miss Holiday, can I talk to you for a sec?
Sure. Guys, practice your bipolar rants, okay? See, history can be fun.
How you holding up?
Okay. Back to my itinerant ways, I guess. I do miss Glee Club, though.
Well, as much as the kids like me, they sure do miss you. Which is why next time I'm sick, I'm requesting you as the Glee sub.
Really? Mr. Schuster, that's so nice of you. It would be nice to feel like a part of something, you know?
I know. I actually need your help with something else, though. See, I've been dying to do Singin' in the Rain with the kids, show them how great it is, but they're convinced it's too old-fashioned. Would you mind helping me make it a little more modern?
I thought you'd never ask.
Yeah.